everyone, this is Dheeraj. Welcome to my channel D Square Blogs. Today I am going to show you another interesting science experiment that is candle glass experiment. So for that you need a transparent glass, food color or water soluble paint. If you don't have these two, it will work with plain water also, but if you add color it will look beautiful. A plate, a birthday candle. If you don't have birthday candle, a tea light candle. If you don't have these two, can make a tea light candle using matchstick. Now I am going to show you. So first bend a little here on the candle. See, like this. Take a 5 rupee coin. So first keep your candle like this. Put the 5 rupee coin on top of the fold. See? So this is another form of tea light candle. So like this you can make. So now here I have taken birthday candle, matchsticks, a spoon to mix, water. So let's see how to make this experiment. So first you should light the candle. Okay, now take food color or water soluble paint, mix it in the water. Okay, now you have to pour the water slowly into the plate. You should try this experiment with the help of your adults because there is fire. Okay, now take the transparent glass. Now only the magic comes. Put it on top of the candle. Now see. See how the water went inside the glass and the smoke goes out. Candle. The science behind this experiment is there is no oxygen in the glass. So when you put the glass on top of the candle, there will be carbon dioxide in the glass, so that's why the candle blows out and the water comes in the glass. So this is my experiment. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon and click all options to receive notifications. Bye bye friends.